Welcome to 4083 Connestee Trail, located in the mountain paradise of Connestee Falls, just outside of Brevard, North Carolina. My favorite aspects of this home are the one-level living floor plan with a finished basement, the screened-in porch overlooking the golf course, and the ideal location. This floor plan integrates privacy with room to spread out and entertain. With 3 beds, 2 baths, and laundry, you have everything you need on the main floor. The traditional layout also has a study and a formal dining room, creating more intimate and private spaces. And on the lower level, you'll find a full entertaining area, a large bedroom, and 2 bonus rooms. Each level walks out onto a screened-in porch overlooking the golf course with rich mountain in the background. The cozy main level screened-in porch is spacious enough to entertain and enjoy the view. And the house is perched high above the golf course, so it's both quiet and private. What many people don't realize is that where you live in Connestee in relation to the amenities can make a huge difference. This home is a short distance from the great food and entertainment at the Connestee Clubhouse, the golf course, pickleball and tennis courts, as well as the pool. You can also walk to the Connestee Trail system or take a stroll on the golf course in the evening. Make an appointment today to see 4083 Connestee Trail and see what your life could look like in Connestee Falls.